Hello guys and welcome to the best online tutorials channel. My name is Morris and in today's video I'll be showing you how to take notes on Notion. So taking notes on Notion is really easy. You can get this done in like a couple of minutes or seconds depending on how quickly you can do it. All you need to do is simply sign into Notion. So my account is on Notion. I've signed in, and all you need to do to start taking notes is just click on create a new page. Now you can specify what kind of notes you want to be taking by clicking on the drop down here and selecting either AI meeting notes or databases or pages. We'll be talking more on templates later, but a page is simply going to be a blank page where you just simply type in whatever you want to type, and then you can now add more value to it. You can, create a daily planner. You can just turn a note into something more complex. I mean, you could simulate your life on Notion. It's that crazy. So if you don't want to take this kind of notes, you could use the database option where you're taking to a database where you can add your data. You can make a task tracker, projects, document hub, that kind of thing. Now, if that doesn't work for you, like I said, you could click on the drop down directly and select AI meeting notes. So this is going to, Notion will summarize your meetings with the notes and transcription. All you need to do is just click on start transcribing, which may be a premium feature, but it is allowed and available. Now, moving on to the other option I mentioned, which was a template. If you click on the templates, you're going to be taken over to the template menu over here. And now all you need to do is use the search and then simply type in notes. So you're met with a list of notes you could actually use. Some are free, some are paid, but usually you could use the notes dashboard to accomplish your task. As you can see, minimal note-taking system with notebooks linked to notes, a Cornell method template for structured capture and views. So if you scroll through, you can basically see what it is about. You could see pictures of it, content ideas, live journals. And now all you need to do is click on the plus to add this template to your list of templates and then simply access it by clicking on see template when the template is ready. So go ahead and click on see template. It's going to open up in a new tab and then you can begin editing parts of the notes like the quick buttons. You have your notes, you have your notebooks which are linked, you have your databases, and if you scroll through, I believe that's everything. You have basically blank sheets that you can just simply edit. There are templates you can simply edit and use. All right, guys, so that's everything. Comment down below if you have any question. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thank you.